Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Lynn Marie, and today I'm going to be doing an Arbonne unboxing. I just received a box that has 4 beautiful products in it. 2 are longtime favorites of mine. One of them is the brand new Age Well eye cream. I had run out of my RE9 eye cream, so I'm really excited to try this new one. And then I've got one of the holiday products I want to share with you as well. I am an independent consultant with Arbonne, and I'm also a professional weight loss coach with Metabolic Research Center. I have listed my contact information below if you are interested in knowing more about Arbonne, or if you're interested in knowing about the type of weight loss programs I work with. Please feel free to reach out to me. So we're going to get right into it. The first item is the brand new Age Well eye cream. Comes in this lovely packaging. It also comes in a little tub like this, which is different from RE9. There is bakuchiol in this, so it's super moisturizing for the eye area. And it's got something that's a lot gentler for your skin than the typical retinol that you might find in these types of products. So I am going to just get a little dab on my fingernail. It's about a raindrop. And I'm going to tap it around my eye area. But I love putting this cream on my eyes. It feels so good. Blessing my eye area. Feels wonderful. The second item that we're going to be trying out today is the primer. I have been using Arbonne's primer for many years and absolutely love the way it feels on my skin. So let's go ahead and give this a whirl. It is just a quick pump. One pump can do great for your whole face. And I'm going to attempt to just do half of my face today. Let's take a look. You can kind of see how this diffuses the light. I like making sure I get it all the way up to my ears, because it makes such a great base for any type of foundation that you're planning to use. You can see how it really just softens out the light against the skin and how lovely that is. The second item, this I've also used in the past, is Arbonne's CC cream. The CC cream is designed to protect, conceal, and also enhance the way your skin looks. The color I'm using today is called Light. And again, I'm going to apply it with my fingers because it's going to go so smoothly against the makeup primer. And it blends in so well. It's an absolutely gorgeous color. This, you know, if you need help matching your skin tone, please let me know, or let your Arbonne consultant know. So again, I'm just doing this on half of my skin so you can really see how smoothly this blends in on the side. Blend it up here, blend it down into my neck. See the difference in the 2 sides? Beautiful color. All right, perfect. The fourth item that I'm so excited to share with you today is this fantastic little mini lip and cheek stick. It's called the Lip and Cheek Mini Stick in the color Poinsettia. And this color is so beautiful. I have been loving this. So just real quickly, I'm going to show you. It comes in this little cute tube. It's got a protective cap. You can see the beautiful color. This color is rich in pigment. So I'm going to share some ideas with you about using this on your cheeks, but look at what a lovely, It's a natural color, but it has such a great pop to it. I think it's just stunning. Now, when you put this on your cheek, the pigment is very rich. So I recommend using just a small amount. And in fact, I like just putting a drop of my Arbonne skin conditioning oil on my finger. Just a very small amount. And then touching the stick with my finger and just applying it very gently this way. You can see how rich the color is. What's wonderful about this is it lasts all day. I still have this on when I get home from work at night. It's just a very rich, beautiful color. Tone down the lips just a bit. Blend everything in. Look at how lovely that is. So, just a really great little package of treats from Arbonne, and excited to try more of the new Age Well products. Please let me know if you have any questions. And one last thing, I am going to also grab just a little of my skin conditioning oil, just a couple drops in between my hands like this, fluff up my hair. Gonna have to finish up the other side, but I'm ready to go for today. Let me know what you think. Arbonne is a marvelous product. It's pure, safe, beneficial. When you're using Arbonne, you feel like you're actually applying vitamins to your skin. Thank you for watching.